Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be out in the garden. I'm going to be showing you what's going on. We've had another bit of a heat wave, so a lot of things have dried up and a lot of things have suffered a little bit, but we're going to just take care of what I can take care of, and then I'll show you the progress as we go along. So I hope you all enjoy this one. Right everybody, managed to find another 3. So those are just rinse off and then they go inside. We use those up with our dinner. Right, so the next task I've got my carrots down there. I'm just going to get a pair of gloves and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got my carrots here. So they're just drying up, so I'm just going to see what I can get out of these. As you can see, this is what always happens. They always twist and wrap around each other instead of going straight down. They just grow on top of each other. I'll just pick these. Use these on Thursday. If you watch my cooking channel, I'm going to do a casserole or something with these. But I don't know how you get carrots to go straight down, so I'm going to looking into that. This is a mixture of carrots, of Chardonnay, purple, so I'll do this and then I'll come back to you. Right everybody, so I've picked all my carrots. As you can see, I've got some odd shaped ones. What always twists around like that, don't know why. Don't know if it's because I planted them too close together and they couldn't go down, but they're still quite usable, so I'm going to be using that for one of my cooking videos. So that's all the carrots that I got from it. Right, I can see a caterpillar there. I don't know where that came from. So, got my Epsom salt. I'm just going to put some around the bottom of my corn. Put some in this kohlrabi, although I don't like what's going on with. I'm going to put some in my sugar snaps. I'm going to be watering that in a minute, so I don't need to worry too much about it. But I can see that the butterflies are back, looking for places to lay their eggs. Put some in this flower one here. And I'm going to put some in my pumpkin just to keep up the greenery on it. And I'm going to put some in that cucumber again. I'm going to put a little bit in this basil, which should have been used already, but my daughter keeps loafing. Then with my tomato, you know what I'll do, I'll just throw it on there, because that's going to be watered in a minute. And my corn, don't know what's going on with those. Why they're drying up like that. minute I'm going to give this a good watering in. Sorry to keep flicking the camera. The chards are growing but something's eating them, so I'm going to be using those over the weekend. And my peppers up there. What I need to do, I need to get another aspirin and just spray these peppers again. That keeps off some of the pests, so I'm going to just spray this one behind. Oh yeah, I've got some to look in here because I saw some peppers what I need to pick off. I'm just going to follow this down. So as you can see, I've got these big ones coming up now. I'm just checking to see what's in there. You can see this. Trying to keep my sweet potato, these bad leaves. So I just got these chilies off of there. So we're getting a good harvest today. So we've got tomatoes and everything coming over. You can see with the sweet potato, you can see how much growth it's put on. It's getting a good amount of heat to it, so that's why they're doing so well. I've wrapped them around as much as I can, but then they're still coming over the side, so we'll just have to deal with that. Right, I'm coming round here now. Just having a look what's going on round here. You can see some things will just be drying up. These sweet potatoes doing quite well. I think this was one of the last ones, and as you can see the growth what's on it. Try to keep it in one place. Leaves and everything, what I don't like, you know, always pull those off. That's just an experimental bucket, so the bucket was quite thin, so I don't know if we're going to get any off of that. So as you can see, my pumpkin's starting to send out the side ones and they're starting to flower, but I can't see any to fertilise. You know, when they don't get fertilised, they just dry out. Right, my onions now. The dirt is very tough on there. These should have come out already. See, white onion. Some of them are just really tiny. Put these there. Sun dry those out a bit. I think these should have come out quite a while ago. And some of them never done nothing. one here. This one was the one what was in my kitchen. I'm thinking you can see it came up and flowered and everything, gave off the flowers. So I'm just going to leave that there as well. Let them dry off. So you can see some got big and some never. Well, you saw it earlier on, I've been picking them, so I'm using them in cooking. Use the stems as well. So these just need to dry off. Right, just pass me that shovel. I'm just going to give this a light dig through and see what's down there. So I know there's some what the tops came off. So you can see the butterflies are back causing a nuisance now because I sprayed it. They're looking for places to lay their eggs. So if you give them the opportunity, you know what they're like. So I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm going to do this and see what's down here. Right, those are the ones what I found down there, what's left. I've been using them throughout the season for cooking and that, so that's what was left in there. There might be a few more. Then I've got my shallots over here, which is the same thing as well. You can see, well, you all saw me using these ones, so I think these ones need to come up before and dried off a bit, so you can see there. I think these are two different shallots. One's a red sun and that. So I'm just gonna pull these up as well. Get those to dry off in the sun. Meanwhile, we've got a few days of heat. Then I'll separate them up and put them inside. They just need to dry off. They've done quite well this year. We used up quite a lot of them, so I'm going to do this and come back to you. Right everybody, so got my shallots out. You can see there's quite a few there. Just going to let that dry out and then I'll kick the bulbs off and then they're ready for use, but I just need to leave them in the sun because the tops are still a bit wet. So that's what I've done in my garden for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. It's getting a bit hot out here now, so I just want to start watering and get the Epsom salt soaked in. So thank you for watching this one, and see you all on the next one, and happy gardening to all of you.
Mm-hmm.